Here we find ourselves today at Connect Mobile Solutions in Maghera. One of our engineers is just after completing a reverse camera and a Vauxhall Vivaro for one of our local businesses. There's the camera up there and covering it onto the brake light of the van, and we'll just take you into the van, get you a wee look and see what takes place inside. Now we've matched it in with the mirror monitor, the 7-inch mirror monitor, so we'll just pop it under reverse and let you see how precise it is as we go back. We're just reversing in via toolbar, as you can see there at the bottom of the screen. If you're a van driver and you're hooking onto a trailer or whatnot, we'll show you how precise it actually can get you. We're reversing into another vehicle behind with another toolbar and pop it out of reverse, take a jump out and see how precise we actually get with the use of the camera. Pretty good. Once again, if this is something that you would like, please feel free to contact us at Connect Mobile Solutions, both Belfast and Maghera.